Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this month's episode, we will be making a pressed autumn leaf bookmark. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services Desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each kit includes one bookmark tassel, one watercolor paper bookmark that measures about 6 1/4 inches by 2 inches. This comes with a plastic bookmark protector, one paper towel, and an assortment of pressed leaves and fall flowers. In order to complete the project, you will also need some matte Mod-Podge, a flat paintbrush, and a pair of scissors. To get started, remove your paper bookmark from its plastic cover, then experiment with the layout of your leaves and flowers. I do want to mention that it's a good idea to put some paper or a tablecloth underneath your bookmark before this stage because we will be Mod-Podging after this and it will help to protect your surface. Once you are happy with the layout of your leaves and flowers, pour a small amount of Mod-Podge onto your paper towel. Carefully paint the adhesive underneath and on top of each leaf. You will want to paint a thin layer over the entire front side of your bookmark. Don't worry too much if the Mod-Podge looks streaky or messy at this point. It will dry clear. Once you have attached all of your leaves and flowers, set the bookmark aside to dry completely. While you are waiting, now is a good time to attach your tassel to your bookmark protector. Thread the loop of your tassel through the hole at the top of the bookmark protector. Then feed the tassel through its own loop, just like this. Pull tight and there you have it. At this point, I've waited about 30 minutes for my Mod-Podge to dry. I'm going to use my scissors to cut off any excess leaves, stems, and flowers. I found that turning the bookmark over made it easier to see where the outline was. For the final step, take your bookmark protector and carefully slide the bookmark into place. This might take a little bit of patience. All you need now is a good book and a hot drink. Thanks for watching.